You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this is a technologically advanced vehicle for the sport-inclined driving enthusiast. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.